So in this tutorial we'll talk about the modules. So in SAP UI5, resources are often referred to as modules. So in this tutorial we'll call a resource or just a message toast. So now actually we will replace this native JavaScript by a message toast. So you already know that when I click on that, actually it is calling that just alert, but we will use a UI5 message. So let's try how we can do this. So basically what we will do, that is our controller. So here we will call a separate library. This library is sap.m. So message toast. So whenever for your project, if you want, actually you can use many places. So it's already calling here because it's the compiler already know that it is required because I call this. So here actually when we click in the button, then it will not like that. We'll just message toast dot show, and that is the message. So here hello world. So refresh. So if I click on that, you can see that hello world. So it will stay a couple of seconds, and after that it will go away. So basically that is the very simple example how you can use the modules, and it is very common if you want to show any message. Okay, thank you. In the next tutorial we will talk about the JSON model. Thank you.